Your Silverado has 5 hidden functions from 1999 to 2013, and 95% of owners never discovered them. These came from factory, Chevy installed them and forgot to tell you. I showed these to owners with 10, 15 years of Silverado. Response? My truck does that? Subscribe now. Comment how many you didn't know. 5 functions your GMT 800 or GMT 900 always had. You just never noticed. Why hidden? No big button, no clear manual. Chevy didn't advertise, didn't train salespeople. Result? Thousands of Silverados with features owners don't use. Today, that changes. Let's start. Years 2003 to 2013. First, programmable auto-up windows. Your Silverado can raise windows automatically with one touch. Mine doesn't. You need to program it first. How? Step 1, ignition on. Step 2, lower window completely. Step 3, hold button up for 5 seconds after window fully closed. Step 4, done. Now test. One touch up, window raises by itself. Works 2003 to 2006 GMT 800 some, 2007 to 2013 GMT 900 most. Why useful? Raining? One touch, all windows up while you get in. Function 1, auto up. Always there, you didn't know how to activate. Years 1999 to 2013, all. Second, hidden towing calculator. Not the tow and haul button, different. Your Silverado calculates exact towing capacity for your configuration. GMT 800 1999 to 2006, press trip button, hold, enter hidden menu, scroll to trailer. GMT 900 2007 to 2013, DIC menu, vehicle information, trailering. Shows max trailer weight, tongue weight, exact capacity for your truck. Why useful? Buying trailer? Know exactly how much you can tow. Function 2, towing calculator. Chevy programmed it, never told you. Years 1999 to 2003, GMT 800. Third, scanner-free diagnostics. GMT 800 shows error codes on dash, no equipment. How? Step 1, ignition off. Step 2, hold trip. Step 3, turn ignition on while holding trip. Step 4, dash shows codes. Example, P0420 equals code P0402. Write it, look it up, know the problem. GMT 900, harder, usually needs a scanner, but GMT 800, free diagnostics. Why important? Check engine on, you see the code, don't go blind to mechanic. Function 3, free diagnostics GMT 800 gives you. Years 2003 to 2013 if equipped. Fourth, adjustable auto-dim mirrors. If your mirror darkens automatically at night, you can adjust sensitivity. 2003 to 2006, button under mirror. Press multiple times, changes level. 2007 to 2013, DIC menu, vehicle settings, mirror auto dim. Why useful? Too dark? Adjust. Not dark enough? Adjust. Manual mentions it, but where? Doesn't say clearly. Function 4, mirrors you control. Years 2003 to 2013. Fifth, retained accessory power or RAP. Accessories stay on after engine off. Radio, windows, up to 10 minutes or until you open door. Turn engine off, radio keeps playing, windows still work, open door, everything shuts off. Works 2003 to 2006 GMT 800 some, 2007 to 2013 GMT 900 most. Why useful? Finish your song, windows work without key, kids in the back, windows still operate. Most think it's a defect, it's a feature. Function 5, wrap. Convenience you thought was a bug. 5 hidden functions in 1999 to 2013 Silverados. 1, auto up windows 2003 to 2013. 2, towing calculator 1999 to 2013. 3, scanner-free diagnostics 1999 to 2006. 4, adjustable mirrors 2003 to 2013. 5, wrap 2003 to 2013. How many did you not know? Comment, didn't know number. Like this video, share with GMT 800 and GMT 900 owners. Subscribe for more hidden functions. Tomorrow, 8 p.m., More Silverado secrets. Your truck was always smarter than you thought. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.